Hey guys, I had to come up with a way to attach my ramp to my tailgate, and for it to be safe to back off my golf cart, put my motorcycle on, whatever it may be. But I had to come up with a way to make it safe, to prevent lateral and medial movement of the ramps while going up and down, as well as stopping the ramps from sliding out when I'm coming back. So I bought these ramps online. The first thing I did was measure the width of the middle of this tire to the width of the middle of that tire. I then took that measurement and moved my ramps to the same width as the center line of my two ramps. After I did that, I took this measurement here to here and cut a 2x4 to that exact measurement here. I then took a piece of plywood just a little bit longer, just so the 2x4 can sit in the middle. Okay, after I did that, I lay the plywood, the 2x4 on top. Use these straps that actually came with the ramps. Just take that. Now just tighten it down. Also have the same setup here. So now, nice and sturdy. There won't be any lateral or medial movement. So it's going to keep the same width all the way down for the golf cart. All right. So after I did that, I took a ratcheting strap, grabbed two of the rungs of the ramps, pulled them down, and I attached them to the trailer hitch safety chain. Just use a regular ratchet strap or whatever you want to use. That way it's going to pull it tight to the truck, keep it there, not let it move up and down or side to side, as well as having my two plywood 2x4 braces that stop it from moving laterally and medial. And that's it.